Distance time graph part 1. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to draw a distance time graph. We're going to use the book from the IGCSE Physics, but that's going to be okay because we're going to provide all the data needed. So let's look at figure 1.4.
This car started moving from point A and time equals 0 seconds. After 0.5 seconds, it's reached point B and has traveled a distance AB. After another 0.5 seconds, it reached point C and has traveled a distance AC. We go on to measure the distance from A after each 0.5 seconds. So now I have the time at each point and the distance till it arrived to point F. Now we're gonna organize these data in a table. In this table we have the position, the time from the start and the unit is second, and the distance from the start and the unit is meters. We notice that the time from A to B is 0.5 seconds, and from B to C also 0.5 seconds. From C to D, from D to E, and from E to F is also 0.5 seconds. And if we look at the distances, from A to B it is 6 meters, from B to C it also moved 6 meters, and same applies for the rest of the points. So we observe that the car moves equal distances in equal intervals of time. Now if we calculate the speed at each point, this will be the instantaneous speed. Let's take point B for example. The instantaneous speed at B will be V equals d over t equals 6 over 0.5 equals 12 meters per second. Now if we want to calculate the average speed, what we have to do is we take the time from the initial point to the final point, where it is equal to 2.5 seconds. And same goes for the distance, where it is equal to 30 meters. So the average speed equals d over t equals 30 over 2.5, and it is equal to 12 meters per second. So here we notice that the speed is constant from one point to another. Therefore, we can conclude that if a body moves equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is moving with a steady